So hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It's me Anam, and today we are going to testing out a really viral hack. In that hack, people are making their nails with baking soda, and people says that baking soda works like acrylic. So let's see if it works or not. So in this first step we have to prep our nails, but I don't feeling like prepping my nails, so I skip this step. But if you want to make your nails long laster, so make sure to prep your nails first. Now I like to store my nail tips in this kind of old container. Now find your nail size. Now I'm using this nail glue. You can use any of your favorite nail glue. So apply this nail glue on your nail tips and apply this tip on your nails. And wait for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done. Ta-da. Now repeat this process on your remaining nails. Now cut your nails in desired size you want. And then file your nails. Now the fun part, we have to do our nails with baking soda, so let's get started. So all you have to do is apply nail glue on your nails, something like this, and then dip your nails in baking powder and then remove the excessive baking soda. Don't forget to remove the excessive baking soda from your nails. So I do 4 layers of baking soda, but if you want, so you can do less. 3 is also enough, but if you want like a really strong acrylic kind of nail, so I think you need to do this step 4 times. Then and then file your nails to make them look smoother. Now repeat this process on your remaining nails. Now file your nails. Now seal it with any top coat. So this nails is kind of okay nails, like this is really strong, but I don't suggest you to do this nails, cause like while doing this nails I feel some burning sensation on my nails, so I don't suggest you. But if you want to try, so you can try this nails, and this nails is so strong, so yeah, you can try, but I don't suggest you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video, don't forget to comment. See you soon, bye.